Stop what you're doing and listen up. These chilling sounds will haunt you long after the video ends. Hi, horror fans. Today we're diving into the eerie world of mystery sounds that no one can explain. Picture this, the dead of night, and you hear a loud, unearthly wail echoing in the distance. It's not a human. It's not an animal. What could it be? Next up, we have the bloop. Recorded in the deep ocean, this sound is so powerful, it can be heard over thousands of miles. Scientists still can't figure out what created it. Some say it's a giant sea monster. What do you think? And finally, the upsweep. A mysterious, ongoing sound that has been detected underwater for decades. Theories range from underwater volcanoes to something much more sinister. So which sound creeped you out the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more spine-chilling mysteries. Until next time, stay spooky.